In this video, we will talk about how to get help with Windows upgrade and installation errors. Method 1. Troubleshoot. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left, select System. Scroll it down, select Troubleshoot, then Other Troubleshooters. In Windows Update, select Run. Once you will be on this page, select your options and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 2. Disk space. Sometimes Windows upgrades often fail if you don't have enough space. So make sure you have at least 20 to 30 gigabytes of free space available. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. On the left, select System, then Storage. Click on Temporary Files option. Select Remove Files to delete unnecessary junk files. Click on Continue, and it starts deleting all the files. Method 3. Reset Windows Update Components. Click in Search, type Notepad, select Open. Here, you need to paste this script I have mentioned in the description. Then click on File and select Save As. Choose your location and type file name like resetwindows.bat. Now click on Save. Once you have a file like this, right-click on it. Select Run as Administrator and click on Yes. After running this bat file, click on Window icon and restart your PC. Method 4. Run System File Checker in DISM. Click in Search, type CMD, select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Run these commands one by one. I have mentioned both commands in the description. You can copy-paste them here. It may take some time, so let them run. After running both commands, click on Windows icon and restart your PC. So that's how you can get help with Windows upgrade and installation errors. See you in next video.